What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 Facebook Live, okay? Oh, yeah. Wait. Now you're on the show. Oh. All right. Well, I wanted to say that the show being Facebook Live, Facebook televised.
So she got a nice little spot in her hospital. I just got to move like her tubs and all that, like her stuff. I'm trying to get because guess what? That's gonna be all the she He said he gonna come back when she off the hospital. Yeah, he said he don't get no dark spot.
I wanted her here too. All right. Oh yeah, my teaching in the hospital. I wish she was still. I wish she was here though. Hey, you know, Vera, I still miss Christina. My mama. What you say?
Always.
Yeah. Yeah. All I know, Christina was still here. She would have fun. Yeah, but Christina was here.
That's my mama said, Chris, where you out? You heard my mama?
Oh, I heard her. I think I was filming that time.
Oh,
I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Foreign people make chicken soup.
I know.
Oh, the foreigners might be listening, man. The foreigners might be listening.
Same way, brothers make chicken good too. I don't know if y'all ate their chicken.
Oh, you did?
Man, they make their chicken.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Ricky, they been right by you in the cheek.
oh, I'm glad you said that because they're probably listening.
See, I go get that little churches deal they have on Wednesday.
Okay.
The eight piece for $5.99.
But you can get 8 pieces over
I
there
get that every week.
On Sunday too. On Sunday.
You about to shoot?
Oh, where you going? You leaving? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. All right. Happy belated birthday, you think? All right, Cardi. You on the show again?
Cardi Bernard.
We.
The lady in the house.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh.
Everything is her day.
Oh, wait a minute.
Brian.
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh, I'm coming.
Brian, you got $10.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that is me. Yeah. Do I have what?
$10. Give me $10.
Oh, actually, no, I don't have 10 on me right now. Oh, let me see. I might have 10 ones.
That's good. Just give me $10.
Oh, well, all right. I'll be back. Wait a
You
minute.
filming all that? Don't be filming all that on YouTube.
Oh, I'm trying to tell you. I was talking. I said it was
Brian, we nobody don't want all that on YouTube.
All right. Well, let me stop this tape, okay?
Still cheap.
All right.